Unraveling Idioms, make no bones about it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a peculiar and intriguing phrase, make no bones about. If you've ever stumbled upon this expression and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's unravel its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, make no bones about, is an idiom in the English language used to express that someone is being very straightforward, clear, or unambiguous about a situation or their feelings. When someone makes no bones about something, it means they are not trying to hide their opinion or feelings. They are being very open and honest, even if their opinion is blunt or potentially uncomfortable. Diving into the history of make no bones about, this idiom dates back to the 15th century. It is believed to have originated from the game of dice, where bones was a term for dice, and a fair roll meant no dispute or hesitation about the outcome. Over time, the phrase evolved beyond the realm of gaming to its current meaning, indicating straightforwardness and lack of hesitation in expression. Using make no bones about correctly can add a rich layer of expression to your conversation. Here are a few examples to guide you. In opinion sharing, she made no bones about her dissatisfaction with the new policy. In declaring intentions, he makes no bones about wanting to become the next CEO. In expressing feelings, I'll make no bones about it. I think this is a bad idea. Remember, this phrase is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal contexts, although it's more commonly found in spoken English or informal writing. For non-native speakers, idioms like make no bones about can be challenging but enriching to learn. Here are a few tips. Context is key. Pay attention to the context in which the phrase is used to grasp its meaning fully. Practice. Try using the phrase in your conversations or writing, adjusting it to fit different situations. Listen. Engage with English media, movies, podcasts, etc., where you might hear the phrase used in various contexts. Understanding and using idioms can significantly enrich your English language skills, making your communication more vibrant and nuanced. Make no bones about is just one of the countless idioms that color the English language. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origin, and use. Don't hesitate to incorporate it into your English conversations and see how it transforms your communication. Thank you for watching, and remember, we're here to make your English learning journey as engaging and informative as possible. See you in the next video.